far.
Saturday night, partly cloudy.
How the hell are you doing? Yeah, I'm recording.
Okay. Can I have this? Yeah, thanks.
The National Weather Service in Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hampshire County in western Massachusetts, southeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, central Hampton County in western Massachusetts, until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:41 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Holyoke, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Springfield, Chicopee, Holyoke, Amherst, Northampton, West Springfield, Ludlow, South Hadley, East Hampton, Belchertown, Wilbraham, Palmer, Ware, Granby, Southampton, Hadley, Warren, Brimfield, Shutesbury, and Pelham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 12:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Thursday for the following counties in Massachusetts: Franklin, Canton, and Hampshire.